What's up, guys? All right, so today we are going to be learning some German. So if you want to learn with me, stick around and let's see what this is all about. Now, I haven't heard a whole lot about Duolingo, but I do know that if you want to learn a language, this is pretty much the site to go to. So we are going to check it out and see how much German I could learn. I know that it's kind of hard, so why would I do that to myself, you may ask? I don't know. Here we go. Now, I do know this because I drink this every day. I love coffee.
Kaffee.
Coffee. One of these is milk. Milch.
Milch.
Milch. Let's go for 3 for 3.
Hallo.
Hello.
Hallo.
Write this in English. Hello. I could hover.
Hallo. Hallo.
Okay. Can you... How do you say hello? Hello.
Hallo.
Hello.
Hallo. Kaffee. Bitte.
Hello, coffee. What is that word?
Bitte.
Beta.
Bitte.
Beta. Oh. Hello, coffee.
Bitte. Bitte.
I don't under... Wait, okay. Hello.
Kaffee. Bitte.
No, Milch is milk. Affy. What? Oh. Okay, I misunderstood this. Oh, I can't fix it?
Milch und Kaffee.
Okay.
Bitte.
Milk. That wasn't fair. I didn't know what I was doing. Milk and coffee. Please. How do you say and? That's hello, that's coffee. Und.
Hallo.
I do have a little bit of German in me, so maybe this will come really easy. Hello.
Bitte.
Select the matching pairs. Okay, so milk is Milch.
Milch.
Milk. And und. Please. Bitte.
Bitte.
Coffee. Kaffee.
Kaffee.
Hello.
Hallo.
Hello. Yeah.
Kaffee und Milch.
Coffee.
Kaffee. Und
Milch.
Milch.
Coffee.
Kaffee.
Please.
Bitte.
Hello. Hello.
Hallo.
Hello. milk, milk,
Milch.
and
Und.
A. A.
Okay, so ah,
A.
well, in English it would be an A, but I'm trying to think. Milch, meh. It's not an I. Oh my gosh. Is it?
A.
Okay. Okay. Please.
Bitte.
Hello.
Hallo.
And
Und.
milk. Milk.
Milch.
Milk. Coffee.
Kaffee.
O.
Ooh.
O.
Hallo. Kaffee. Bitte.
Hello, coffee, please. All right. Hey. So I guess that was it. That was lesson 1, and I don't think I did too bad. Let's see here. I felt like I learned a lot, actually. That's cool. The basics. I'm still not done with that one. Alright, guys. Well, there's still quite a bit to learn, so I guess that's all for today, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you want to follow along. Other than that, have a good day. Bye.